Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to control who can send you messages on the Messenger app. This simple guide will help you manage your privacy settings so you can avoid unwanted messages. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Next, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, scroll down and select Settings. Then, keep scrolling until you find the Privacy and Safety option, and tap on it. Once there, scroll down further to locate the Message Delivery setting. Tap on it to open your message delivery options. Here, you can decide who is allowed to send you messages. For example, you can choose whether people on Messenger or Facebook can chat directly with you, send message requests, or not send you any requests at all. Adjust these settings according to your preference. Managing your message settings on Messenger is easy and helps protect your privacy. Make sure to review these settings regularly to keep control over your conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.